My name is Deborah Ferguson. I am the Student Nutrition Manager and Resident Chef here at Plant High School. We are looking forward to welcoming our students back this year. Provided we stay on e-learning, we will still be serving breakfasts and lunch. Breakfast and lunch will be served Monday, Wednesday, and Friday via a drive-through process. We will need to have your student's name and ID number in order to access their account. Each student that was on a free or reduced lunch status last year will have 30 days grace to get in a new application for this school year. Applications can be located via the Hillsborough County School webpage under Departments of Student Nutrition. In addition, all students that were on a paid meal status will continue that status unless a new application is processed as free or reduced. Via our drive-through process, we will ask you your student's name and ID number. All payments for paid students will need to be accessed via Meal Pay Plus. That app can also be found on the Hillsborough County School webpage. Here, you'll be able to put money on your student's account. Breakfast, as always and every day, is free for students. Each day that you come in, you will be receiving meals for 2 days, except Friday, where it will only be a one-day meal. We're looking to serve a hot meal and bag a meal for the next day. Again, we are looking forward to working with you this school year. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me, Deborah Ferguson, Student Nutrition. Thank you.